This video reviews how to move the contents of a cell using the Python library OpenPyXL. Here is our testing document that has a string of text in cell A1. I will use Python to move it from A1 to C3. Moving over to my Jupyter lab, here is where I'm bringing in my workbook as WB and selecting the worksheet as WS. Below that cell, I will be saving the document. In order to move the text, I must first collect it. That can be accomplished by accessing the cell's contents on the worksheet object. That is done by using bracket notation on the worksheet object and passing it the cell of interest. You can see here I am selecting cell A1. You can then extract the content of that cell by using that cell's value attribute. Executing this cell, you can see I am printing out the value we wish to move as it is stored in the value to move variable. I can assign a value to a cell by accessing that cell's value attribute and directly assigning it the new value I wish it to contain. You can see here I am assigning the value attribute of cell C3 the value to move variable, which contains our text. Now all that is left to do is remove the text from its original location. You can remove the content of a cell by assigning the cell's value attribute none. With that executed, let's reopen the workbook to check what we were able to accomplish. And there you go. The text that was originally in A1 is now contained in C3. So it's quite simple. First, collect the value you want to move. Next, assign that value to the new location. And then finally, remove the value from its original cell. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video, and let me know what other features of OpenPyXL you would like to see reviewed. Please hit the thumbs up button if you did like this video, as it does help others find these resources. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you know when the next video drops.